Hey, imagine waking up one morning, looking in the mirror, and realizing that your body is holding on to something dangerous you can't even see. Fat. Not the kind around your waist, but deep inside your liver, silently building up over time. Most people never feel it until it's too late. And the scariest part? More than half of adults may already have some level of fat in their liver without knowing it. But here's the good news. There's a simple, natural drink you can make at home, just 1 cup a day, that can help your liver fight back, burn away that fat, and protect your health in ways you can't imagine. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, I'll reveal exactly what this drink is, how it works inside your body, and why it might be the most overlooked secret to a clean, healthy liver. The best part? You already have the ingredients sitting in your kitchen. But before we get there, let's clear up one of the biggest misunderstandings. When people hear fatty liver, they often think of alcohol. Yes, alcohol can damage the liver, but the truth is, millions of people who barely drink or don't drink at all still suffer from fatty liver disease. Why? Because of diet, hidden sugars, processed oils, and constant stress on our digestive system. Over time, your liver becomes overloaded, inflamed, and starts storing fat like a sponge. And here's where it gets even more dangerous. A fatty liver doesn't just make you tired or bloated. It blocks your body from absorbing essential nutrients like vitamin A for vision, vitamin D for bone strength, vitamin E for your heart, and vitamin K for healthy blood flow. When your liver is clogged with fat, it's like shutting down the power supply to every organ in your body. Think about it. Your liver is like the body's main filter. It processes everything you eat, drink, breathe, and even the medications you take. Now imagine what happens when that filter is jammed up with fat. Instead of cleaning your blood, it leaks toxins back into your system. That's when you start noticing warning signs. Shoulder pain on the right side, constant bloating, pale stools, indigestion after eating fatty foods, unexplained fatigue, or even poor sleep. These are your body's red flags, but most of us ignore them until they turn into something serious. But here's the surprising truth. Your liver also has an incredible ability to repair itself if you give it the right tools. And that's exactly what this daily drink does. Before I reveal the exact recipe, let me explain why this works, because understanding the science makes it even more powerful. Your liver produces a substance called bile. Bile's job is to break down fat, detoxify chemicals, and carry waste out of your body. Without enough bile, fat builds up, cholesterol crystallizes, and gallstones form. Worse, your body struggles to absorb the vitamins and omega-3 fatty acids it needs to fight inflammation. Over time, you may even feel foggy, depressed, or inflamed, not realizing it all starts with bile production. Now here's the kicker. There are certain plant compounds called phytonutrients that directly support your liver's ability to burn fat and increase bile flow. And the simple 1-cup drink I'm about to share is loaded with these compounds. So, what's in it? The first powerhouse ingredient is kale. 2 cups, preferably frozen. Kale is rich in quercetin, an antioxidant that specifically targets liver fat, reducing inflammation and protecting liver cells. When blended, frozen kale breaks down easily and tastes far better than raw, making it perfect for a daily shake. Next comes blueberries, 1 full cup, also frozen. Not only do they make the drink delicious, but blueberries are loaded with anthocyanins, natural pigments that fight free radicals and improve insulin sensitivity. That's crucial because high insulin is one of the main drivers of fat storage in the liver. Together, kale and blueberries form a double punch, one stripping away fat, the other protecting your liver from further damage. But the real secret weapon is the third ingredient, plain whole milk kefir. Just 1 cup. Kefir is a fermented drink filled with probiotics, live bacteria that restore balance in your gut and reduce liver fat by lowering inflammation and improving digestion. Unlike sweetened yogurts, plain kefir is unsweetened, low in sugar, and high in beneficial bacteria. Studies show that probiotics can significantly reduce fat stored in the liver, making this step absolutely critical. Blend these 3 ingredients with a cup of water, and you have a creamy, refreshing, powerhouse shake that doesn't just taste good. It actively helps melt fat from your liver. Now imagine drinking this every day. Within weeks, you could start noticing changes. Less bloating, improved digestion, sharper focus, even more energy in the morning. Over time, ultrasound scans show measurable reductions in liver fat just from incorporating these nutrient-dense foods daily. And remember, your liver isn't just about detox. It regulates hormones, balances cholesterol, and even plays a role in thyroid function. Without a healthy liver, your thyroid hormones can't properly activate, leaving you sluggish and tired. So this isn't just about one organ, it's about protecting your whole body. But I want to be honest. This drink is powerful, but it isn't magic on its own. If your diet is full of processed fars, fried foods, and constant snacking, your liver will keep drowning in fat. That's why pairing this daily shake with a low-sugar diet and intermittent fasting can double your results. Studies show that combining intermittent fasting with this type of nutrient support can cut liver fat in half in as little as 2 weeks. That's how fast your body can repair itself when you stop feeding the problem and start supporting the solution. Here's the moment you've been waiting for, the step-by-step recipe. Grab your blender, add 2 cups of frozen kale, add 1 cup of frozen blueberries, pour in 1 cup of plain whole milk kefir, unsweetened, organic if possible. Add 1 cup of water. Blend until smooth. Pour it into a glass and drink it down. That's it, 1 cup a day. Affordable, accessible, and backed by science. No fancy supplements, no expensive detox kits, just whole foods working with your body. Now, you might be wondering, how long do I need to drink this? The answer is, as long as you want your liver to stay healthy. This isn't a quick fix. It's a lifestyle shift. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You don't stop once they're clean. You keep brushing to prevent buildup. The same goes for your liver. By drinking this daily, you're giving your liver the raw materials it needs to flush out fat, toxins, and cholesterol every single day. Before we wrap up, let's recap the 3 key points. First, most people have fat in their liver without realizing it, and the symptoms are often ignored until it's serious. Second, your liver is the control center for detox, hormones, vitamins, and fat metabolism. If it's clogged, your whole body suffers. And third, a simple natural shake made with kale, blueberries, kefir, and water can actively support your liver in burning away fat and restoring balance. Combine it with a lower sugar lifestyle and intermittent fasting, and you'll accelerate the process even more. So the next time you open your fridge, remember, your health might just depend on what you choose to blend. 1 cup a day could be the easiest, most powerful step you ever take to protect your liver. Don't wait for symptoms to remind you. Start today, because your liver works 24/7 for you. Give it the support it deserves. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe now and check out our next video on how to repair a fatty liver in just 14 days.